Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garden of Life protein powder, full guide. Measure 1 scoop with the provided scoop, mix with 8 ounces of water or milk, and shake or blend until smooth. Start with a clean shaker, add ice for smoothies, and adjust liquid to taste for thicker or thinner texture. Consume within 30 minutes after workouts for protein synthesis benefits or use between meals to boost daily intake. For best results, choose your mixing method based on convenience and texture preferences. Use a blender for creamy smoothies and a shaker bottle for quick post-workout shakes when you need something fast. Combine with fruit, oats, or nut butter for extra calories and nutrients if using as a meal replacement. Avoid pouring into very hot liquids to reduce clumping, and rinse your shaker immediately to keep the powder from sticking and to preserve flavor. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They pair nicely with early morning hikes and post-workout routines. I mentioned the product you saw here, and you can find the link and other deals in the description below where I list my favorite picks. Now let's get back to the video. Plan when to use the powder based on your goals and daily protein needs. A typical serving provides 20 to 30 grams of protein, which supports muscle recovery and keeps you full between meals. Use it after resistance workouts to help with repair or as a convenient snack between meals to hit daily targets. Adjust servings based on your overall intake, activity level, and dietary preferences while keeping hydration in mind throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.